Imagine a world where the heat from your morning coffee could power your smartphone. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's closer to reality than you might think. Welcome to the Clean Energy Journey YouTube channel, where science meets sustainability. We're here to share how green energy will save our planet in the future. And today, we're diving into the fascinating world of thermoelectric generators. Thermoelectric generators, or TEGs for short, are devices that can convert heat directly into electricity. They're not just some lab curiosity. These ingenious contraptions are already making waves in various industries and could play a crucial role in our clean energy future. But what exactly are they? And why should you care? Let's break it down! At the heart of every thermoelectric generator lies a principle known as the Seebeck effect. Discovered back in 1821 by Thomas Seebeck. This effect describes how a temperature difference between two different electrical conductors can produce a voltage. In simpler terms, when you heat one side of a special material and cool the other, you can generate electricity. It's like magic, but it's pure science. Now, let's talk materials. The most common materials used in TEGs are bismuth, telluride, and lead telluride. These semiconductors have been the workhorses of thermoelectric technology for decades. But that's where it gets exciting. Scientists are now developing new nano-engineered materials that could make TEGs even more efficient and cost. We're really talking about pushing the boundaries of material science to harness energy in ways we never thought possible. So, how do these TEGs actually work? Picture this! You have two different types of semiconductor materials sandwiched together. When you apply heat to one side and keep the other side cool, it creates a temperature difference. This difference causes electrons in the material to move from the hot side to the cold side, generating an electric current. It's a bit like a waterfall of electrons, with the temperature difference acting as the cliff they tumble over. Now, let's explore where these amazing devices are being used. Believe it or not, TEGs are helping power some of NASA's spacecraft and Mars rovers. That's right! The same technology that could one day charge your phone is already hard at work millions of miles away in space. But it's not just about space exploration. TEGs are finding their place right here on Earth too, in industrial settings. TEGs are being used to recover waste heat from processes that would otherwise just vent that energy into the atmosphere. It's like finding money you didn't know you had in your pocket. Suddenly, that wasted heat becomes a valuable resource. And in the world of renewable energy, TEGs are helping to make off-grid systems more efficient and reliable. Imagine a solar panel that could also generate electricity from its own heat. That's the kind of innovation we're talking about. But perhaps one of the most exciting applications is in providing portable power for remote areas. In places where traditional power grids don't reach, a small TEG could be a lifeline, powering essential equipment or providing light and communication capabilities. It's not just about convenience. It's about changing lives. Now, you might be wondering, what makes TEGs so special? Well, they have some pretty impressive advantages. For starters, they have no moving parts. This means they're incredibly durable and can operate for years with minimal maintenance. They're also completely silent. No noisy generators here. And because they can work with any heat source, they're incredibly versatile. Whether it's the heat from a campfire or the warmth of your body, a TEG can turn it into usable power. But let's be real. No technology is perfect, and TEGs do face some challenges. The biggest hurdle right now is efficiency. Current TEGs typically convert only about 5 to 8% of the heat energy into electricity. That's not great when you compare it to other power generation methods. There's also the issue of cost. Some of the materials used in TEGs can be expensive, which limits their widespread adoption. And managing the heat flow through these devices can be tricky, requiring careful thermal management to ensure optimal performance. However, the future looks bright for thermoelectric technology. Researchers are making exciting advances in material science, developing new compounds that could dramatically improve efficiency. We're also seeing the emergence of flexible thermoelectrics. Imagine a TEG that could conform to the shape of an engine or be woven into clothing. And as production scales up, we're likely to see costs come down, making large-scale deployment more feasible. So, why should you be excited about thermoelectric generators? Well, In a world that's hungry for clean, sustainable energy solutions, TEGs offer a unique proposition. They can capture waste heat that would otherwise be lost, turning it into valuable electricity. They can operate in harsh environments where other power sources might fail, and they can work alongside other renewable technologies to create more robust and efficient energy systems. As we wrap up our journey into the world of thermoelectric generators, it is clear that this technology has the potential to be a key player in our sustainable energy future. From the depths of space to the heart of our cities, TEGs are proving that sometimes the most powerful solutions come in small packages. They remind us that innovation often lies in looking at old problems in new ways. In this case, seeing waste heat not as a nuisance, but as an opportunity. So, the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin or the heat radiating from your computer, remember, that energy doesn't have to go to waste. With thermoelectric generators, we're turning up the heat on clean energy solutions 1 degree at a time. Keep your eyes on this space, because the future of energy might just be hotter than you think. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of thermoelectric generators. If you're as excited about the potential of this technology as we are, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Clean Energy Journey channel. Together, we're powering a brighter, cleaner future. Until next time, keep thinking green and stay curious.